Okay, so today we're not just talking about a language, we're talking about a master key. You know, the kind that doesn't just open one door, but can unlock your entire future.
Seriously? Just think about that for a second. I'm not talking about 10 different skills or, a whole new degree. Just one. And the reason we're digging into this is because this one tool, it has this quiet power to completely redefine what's possible for you.
Picture this. You're at an airport, right? And you're looking up at that big departure board. You see these names just flashing by. What's the one thing they all have in common? Well, they're all these massive global hubs, and they all thrive on one language. It's the language that connects millions upon millions of people every single day.
Yeah, because let's be real. We're moving way beyond just grammar rules and vocab lists here. This is about getting access to a world that, well, it might have seemed totally out of reach before.
All right, so let's start with the very first door this key can open. Knowledge. English. It's like the key to this enormous global library of information that, honestly, is pretty much locked up tight otherwise.
Think about it. A student at Harvard, a researcher at Oxford, that next big tech innovator in Silicon Valley, what are they all doing? They're learning, creating, and sharing all of their breakthroughs in English. It's become the default language for global progress. It's just how things get done.
I mean, the sheer scale of what suddenly becomes available to you, it's staggering. We're talking about a direct line to the world's leading minds, the absolute latest scientific papers, the most cutting-edge courses on platforms like Coursera or edX. And here's the kicker. You get this information first, sometimes years before it's ever translated, if it even gets translated at all.
And that's the real divide, isn't it? This isn't just about language. It's about getting a seat at the table. It's about gaining entry into the global conversation. The one where the future is literally being shaped as we speak.
Okay, so now let's take that same key and see how it fits a completely different door, your professional life. We're talking about career growth, brand new opportunities, and what you're actually worth in the global marketplace.
I mean, you've seen those job postings, right? How many times have you seen that little line, a good command of English required? It's not just a nice to have anymore. For so many international companies, it's a non-negotiable. They need people who can be the bridge between the company and the rest of the world.
And wow, this contrast really says it all, doesn't it? On one side, you've got a local job. On the other, a global stage. English is the bridge. It's what makes the difference between being just one of many and being the one who gets chosen for that amazing international project, or that key promotion, or that important call with a client halfway across the globe.
So, what does the path to that global career even look like today? Well, here it is. It all starts with communication, sure, but it leads to building a real digital presence. In this remote-first world we live in, this isn't just a career path. It's a path to real freedom. The freedom to work from wherever you want, for clients pretty much anywhere on the planet.
Okay, so we've covered knowledge, we've covered career. But what about the human side of all this? This is where English becomes the key to making real, genuine connections with people all over the world.
Just think about it for a second. English has basically become the world's common ground. It's the go-to language when someone from Japan, Brazil, Germany, and Nigeria are all in the same room. It's the tool everyone reaches for to build that first bridge.
And what's the result of all that? A fundamentally richer life. That's what. You get the confidence to travel anywhere, the ability to join online communities, make friends you never meet otherwise. And maybe the most powerful thing of all, you get the chance to tell your story to the world. Suddenly, your voice isn't stuck inside your own borders.
And this is a really important point. Building these connections, it doesn't just expand your world on the outside, it builds you up on the inside. Every single conversation you have is like a small victory over doubt. It helps build a more confident, more courageous version of yourself, one chat at a time.
So, we've seen how English is a key for knowledge, for success, and for connection. Now let's bring this all home and turn the focus right back where it belongs, on you.
So, after all of this, what is English really? Let's break it down, because it is so much more than just a subject you learn in school.
First off, it's a key, the one that unlocks the doors to the world's greatest knowledge and biggest opportunities.
It's also a bridge, the one that connects you to people, to different cultures, and to friendships you honestly never thought were possible.
And it's a voice, the one that gives you the power to share your ideas, to tell your own story, and to actually be heard on a global stage.
So ultimately, what is it? It's your future. It's the tool that puts the power in your hands to design the life you truly want to live.
Look, the power to learn, to grow, to connect, it's already in your hand. Every time you practice, you're turning that key. So the only real question left is, what door are you going to unlock first?